Most of our patients that have surgery on their eyes have three thoughts in common. Number one, they're nervous about having someone perform surgery on their eyes. Number two, they think that they will feel pain on their eyes during surgery. And number three, they worry about losing their vision as a result of having eye surgery. So I asked our patients about their experience with cataract and lens replacement surgery at Austin Eye the day after their surgery. How nervous or scared were you about having eye surgery?
A little bit. They're messing with your eyes that could be the rest of your life.
I was a little bit nervous the night before, but it was more about, am I doing it too soon, than it was being worried about the actual surgery itself.
Not very.
Not very. I've had it before.
Well, when I first considered it, I was very apprehensive, but the more I educated myself and learned about Austin Eye and the process, I became more comfortable and said, let's do this.
I had really bad butterflies yesterday.
What were you worried about?
I was afraid it was going to hurt.
Okay. And did the procedure hurt?
Not at all.
Procedure did not hurt at all. There was some little pressure. The laser part didn't hurt at all. The second part, the surgery part, there was just a little weird pressure, but no pain.
No.
No.
No, not at all. Zero pain.
Not at all.
And then how does your eyes see and feel one day after surgery?
250% better.
I'm amazed that after one day I can see at least as good as I did before, and I feel like I can see a little bit better up close.
It feels much better. I mean, my vision is better, but it feels better. Any kind of discomfort in the eye has mostly gone away.
It feels great.
Evidently I have 20/20 vision. One day later, it feels fine. I had no pain. It was very slight irritation early yesterday after I left, which went away, so I'm extremely happy.
Pretty darn good. I'm ready to do eye number 2.